Young man, why are you eating that fish? Because I love fish. You love the fish. That's why you took it out of the water and killed it and boiled it. He said, don't tell me you love the fish. You love yourself. And because the fish tastes good to you, you took it out of the water and killed it and boiled it. So much of what is love is fish love. Love is a word that in our culture has almost lost its meaning. Young man and young woman fall in love. What does that mean? He saw in this woman someone who he felt could provide him with all of his physical and emotional needs. And she saw in this man somebody she feels that she can provide. That was love. But each one is looking out for their own needs. It's not love for the other. True love is a love of giving, not a love of receiving. People make a serious mistake in thinking that you give to those whom you love. The real answer is you love those to whom you give.